Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood Budgie, and I'm going to be playing Mitsurugi Kamui Hikae. And I am almost entirely sure that I will be saying that wrong, and I would like to apologize now for that. I have not played this game before, and I'm quite interested to see how it goes. I have played the tutorial, but that is literally all I have done in this game, so I'm going to click New Game and see what it's about. While I'm doing this, I'm going to be also trying to get one of the achievements called 50 hit combo, but really I just want to see what this game is about. I think I will go normal difficulty for now.
私の名前はミサ。武器でもって魔を払う剣士、Mitsurugi。私はそのMitsurugiの一人。今はあるものを追っているの。魔剣。魔の力が刃となった姿。その強大な力に人は見入られ、手にした者の体を奪って何人も切り裂き、血を吸い、貪欲に力を蓄え続けるという。そして、死を切り消えた少女、Suzuka。私は、Mitsurugiとして魔剣を滅せなければならない。Suzuka。かつての同門。私の友達。
ミサ、なまったんじゃない？
Hey, I still got it. I can do this.
魔物。魔剣の力につられて湧いてきたのね。いいわ。邪魔するなら蹴散らすのみ。
Wave 1. Okay, there's multiple waves of these guys. Good thing I can miss a couple of times and still get more hits on this combo. Nearly at 50. 49 is the last guy dead. Yes, there we go, 50. Don't try and hit me. I got to 100. And then I got hit. Okay, I am not exactly sure what SP is. I'm getting quite a few achievements. I don't even know what half of them do. Ooh. Holy crap. Okay, that gave me a lot of health back. I didn't expect it to do damage. They explained it in the tutorial, but they didn't say that it did damage, and they didn't say that it was that powerful. All these guys are red. Does that mean they're more powerful? Apparently no, it means they're weaker. Anyway, so I haven't had a video in a while. I've been studying for exams, which are now over. And so I should be able to put out a few more over the next couple of weeks. I'm looking forward to that. I'm trying out a few things in my Steam library I haven't done before. Hello? Stop it. Ooh, two different kinds of guys in the same fight. You're all possessed by your demon blades. I must. Do they all have demon blades, or are they all possessed, or are these minions of that girl who is possessed, who are just happy to do whatever the master tells them? I see, I'm out of katana power and I can't fight now. I can still do the holy technique, okay. I will gain my power back. Oh! Okay, so the blue gauge is how much I can attack. I didn't realise that meant basic attacks too. Oh! Hand-to-hand combat still works. Okay. So hand-to-hand combat can be a way of getting that back if I still want to fight. Every time I think I'm done with this wave, another guy spawns. Okay, there we go. What the hell is that? Heal. Thank you. I will try and get rid of these guys because I do not want to fight that thing for now, and gives me an excuse to avoid it. If I do have to fight it, I'd rather not have a million guys around me at the same time. It's like a giant mech suit thing that jumps really far. Okay, so the big guys like dodging, yes, they're definitely faster and they definitely like dodging. It's spawning way too many guys. I think it wants me to fight the boss first. It's probably not even a boss, it's probably just a random thing that it's trying to introduce, but if it's... Oh, okay. That went down surprisingly fast. Did it? I think it died. Somebody let me know in the comments, did it die? No. Is it the same one, or is it a different one? Okay, that time it definitely died. Okay. That would be a boss. I don't know what gives it away more, the health bar, the giant sword, or the Master Yi eyes. Oh crap. Oh, hello. I should have been fighting him then. He was spazzing out. Oh. I'm not getting health back from that anymore. Do I have to... Okay, I think I only get health back from the damage I've done. This is a problem. I'm dead. Well, good heavens. I can upgrade? Does it mean I need to do it again? I can upgrade my powers, okay. You can still hear the boss attacking in the background. That's what the SP is for, to give me new abilities. I like that. I'll just level up my basic attack power because I think that'll be useful. Oh, increases health recovery. Or maximum health, I will go health recovery. Will I? Yes. Sailor uniform. Okay, I will go health recovery. Awesome! Is there anything else with that amount of sweep? A low sweep attack. That could be useful. I think I'll just upgrade my basic hand-to-hand combat. See how that goes. Righto. Might save that for now. And try again later. Can I retry? I'll see. Yes, I can. Continue. Awesome. Righto. Well, in that case, this has been my first look at Mitsurugi Kamui Hikae. Thank you very much for watching, if you're still watching, and if you would like to see more of this, then feel free to like the video and drop a comment, and let me know what you think of it, what you would like to see me do more of, and I will try and get onto it. So, thank you very much, and I will see you all in my next video.